Today, I want to share my experience with the Minimalist Acne Daily Routine. Acne can be frustrating, and what I love about Minimalist is their simple, honest, and science-based approach. The cleanser gently removes oil without drying my skin. The serum helps calm breakouts over time without irritation. And the moisturizer keeps my skin hydrated without clogging pores. The routine is easy to follow and perfect for daily use. A special thanks to Minimalist for the thoughtful free glass bottle, which reflects their commitment to sustainability.